Hello everyone, sorry to interrupt the video of the welding table build, but got some awesome things to show you here. These are all by Steiner, and what they are welding gloves and this awesome welding blanket. This is perfect for working, if you have a flux core welder and that's what you're running, this is like a must, because flux core puts off so many pops and so much spatter. This is what you need to have under whatever project you're working on. But it's also great for if you're using straight CO2 where you get a little bit more pops, or even just C25, because these things will pop eventually and give you a little bit of spatter everywhere. Arc welding too, this would be great for. But this is awesome by Steiner, and we also have these Pro-Series MegaMIG and stick welding gloves. The best thing about these gloves is they're super soft. You have movement, which is what the cheaper, older style of MIG gloves don't give you. It feels like your hands just are clunky. You can't do nothing with them. These are really good and soft. They're leather, I believe. Actually, I think they're pigskin. Pigskin back. Yep, on pigskin palm. These things are nice. As you can see, they're very high quality gloves. They fit really well, have a ton of movement. These are their MegaMIG series gloves, and just the same way with the other ones, these have a ton of movement. They fit really good and tight, which is what I like when I order gloves, is something tight to where you can feel what you're doing. These are incredibly nice. Great fit around. This is loose like it's supposed to be, but the hand itself is a great fit. It's a little stiff, but they're brand new. I'm sure they'll break in. They feel great. Cotton fleece line, Kevlar. I mean, these things are awesome. This is an elastic right here, so it moves if you have a huge hand. These are large as I have on. They fit really good and tight the way I like them. But they're awesome. And these are also Steiner's. All this stuff is Steiner's gloves. But the one I was so happy to get is right here. Check these things out. These are the IronFlex Tig gloves. These feel like nothing, really. They're so light, and I mean, they're like, you'd think they'd have the feel of a cheap work glove. You know how cheap work gloves, they fit real good, but they're crap. These though, they fit great, and you can feel really strong. I believe these are made out of some kind of pigskin or hide one. Huh. It says kid skin. Kevlar sewn, so the stitches aren't going to break. Wow. Leather palm and fingers, of course. So these things work and feel fantastic. I haven't even used them yet, but I know they're going to be awesome. You can get every bit of movement in these, so when you're tigging, you can feel it. You'll be able to feel everything real good. But again, these are Steiner's IronFlex Tig. Check them out. I'm going to put a link in the description for you, but all their stuff is fantastic. I'm getting ready to use these MIGs myself for the welding table. Keep watching.